Hello everyone, it's trade review time. So I'm going to review one of my trades which I did today. It's called, I call it top imbalance. So the main indicator which I'm using for this strategy is footprint chart, and what I'm looking is stacked imbalances. It is area over here and over here. So the main idea is to look for price to come back to this area, and in order flow I want to see aggressive selling before price reaches this area. Okay, so it is really important because let's say price goes to that level, and before it reaches that level I want to see aggressive selling. If I see so, my stop loss is going to be above that area. It is very important. So yeah, so let's say price goes through that area, and before it reaches that area I see aggressive selling. If I see so, I'm going to short it, and my stop loss is going to be above that area. It is very important because stop loss placement is very crucial in our job. So yeah, so I have marked these areas. So if I scroll my mouse, they going to disappear, as you can see. So yeah, it's replay mode. So I'm going to uh, play candlestick chart. So yeah, so I would like to stop over here. So when uh, price reached that area, I saw aggressive selling over here and over here. So what I did, I basically placed my limit sell order at 71.50. So I usually risk no more than 3.5 points per trade. So yeah, my entry was 71.50, my stop loss was 75. So as you can see, my stop loss was not above this area, not above this candle, it was above an hour stacked imbalance area. Yeah, so it is very important. So let's see what is going to happen next. Okay, let's play candlestick chart. Yeah, as you can see, price came again to that area and it broke above that candle. Yeah, so basically if I was if I my stop loss order was placed above this candle, I would be stopped out. But instead, my limit sell order was filled over here, and let's see what was happened. What is going to happen right now? Yeah. Okay, let's play candlestick chart. Yeah, and as you can see, price was falling. I wasn't stopped out from my trade. Yeah, idea was very nice. Yeah, and trade worked very nicely to my favor. So okay, so right now let's go to the book map and see what I saw on the order flow that made me go to the short trade. Okay, so let's go. So on the chart I have marked these two stacked imbalance areas. It's over here and over here. Yeah, so I'm going to play order flow, and I will show you what I saw uh, on the order flow. Okay, so I would like to stop over here. So as I mentioned before, I want to see aggressive selling before price reaches this area. This is really important. So right now price is coming to this area. I don't see aggressive selling at all. So how do I identify aggressive selling? I looked at the footprint chart. Yeah, so this is number one. I look for volume spike. I look for, and the main indicator which I'm using for is cell volume bubbles with red bubbles. It's over here and over here. Yeah, so right now you can see we don't have any cell bubbles. So let's go and play order flow.
Bye.
Okay, so as you can see, price broke above the first one of stacked imbalance areas. So as you can see, we don't have aggressive selling at all. As you can see, time and sales is very clear. We don't have sell volume bubbles. We don't have anything which we are looking for. So yeah, this area is invalidated. I will go on to delete it. So yeah, right now we have this area. Yeah, so let's say I'm going to see, if I'm going to see aggressive selling to the downside, I'm going to short it, and my stop loss is going to be above stacked imbalance area. Yeah, on the chart it looks like this. So right now we have this area invalidated. Yeah, so I'm going to delete it because we don't need it. So yeah, right now we have this area, and I want to see aggressive selling on book map. So I'm going to play order flow.
Sell.
Yep, look what we have. So we have time and sales, which shows us we have uh, aggressive selling with huge size. It was 204 market sell orders. Yeah, as you can see, we have a volume sell volume spike indicator. Another thing which is bearish sell volume bubble. Yeah, uh, on the footprint chart we have a huge sell delta. And another thing which is really great, we have uh, 1 million plus sell absolute delta. Yeah, as you can see. So all these indicators show me that I have my setup confirmed. So right now what I'm going to do, so as I mentioned before, I'm going to short it. So my order is going to be over here, and as I mentioned before, I'm risking 3.5 points per trade. So yeah, so my entry was over here, stop loss was above that area, so basically 75. So I want to stop it right now, and I'm going to show you on the chart. So yeah, as you can see, my stop loss is not above this area, it is not above this candle, it is above this area, because it's very important. And yeah, let's go to the order flow. So again, why I'm going short short right now? So when price came to that level and it's coming back, and I see sell volume delta, sell volume spike on the time and sales, I see a huge market sell order. Yeah, and yeah, I over here I have limit sell order, somebody is buying, but I don't care if somebody is buying this limit order. I care about market orders, because market orders are moving the market. Yeah, if nobody is buying aggressively, price is not going to up. Yeah, so it doesn't matter for me. So let's look what is going to happen. So as I mentioned before, my limit sell order is over here. So let's see what is going to happen. and I'm going to mark this swing high. Yeah, so as you can see what is going to happen. So why do I have these lines over here and over here? So let's say price goes through this line, so I'm going to cancel my trade because price formed a new low. So I want to see again price coming back to that level, and before it reaches that level I want to see again aggressive selling. So that's why I have this line. It it just marks a swing low for me. So yeah, I never chase the price. I'm waiting patiently for my order to be filled. Yeah, and let's see what is going to happen.
Buy.
Yeah, so right now what is really important when price is coming back, as you can see we have aggressive buying over here. But what is really important, uh, and I would like to explain it over here. So when price is falling, you know, uh, let's say I'm looking a classical double pattern over here. So somebody is selling and somebody is buying. I'm just comparing these two spots, over here and over here. So right now compare these two spots over here and over here. As you can see, to this sell delta bar, we have sellers over here, yeah, to this delta, and I'm comparing buyers over here. So I don't have right now I have more sellers than buyers. So in this place I don't have a classical double pattern for going long. So my strategy is not invalidated. Yeah, my strategy will be invalidated if price goes through that area. So yeah, so let's go and play order flow. So again, I don't care if somebody is buying with limit orders over here. Yeah, what I care about market orders because they are moving the market. Yeah, so uh, we have no sellers over here, and I'm comparing sellers to the buyers. Yeah, so yeah, let's see. So as you can see in this classical double pattern, right side, on the right side, we have sellers dominating. They are now pushing price the lower. Yeah, so let's see what is going to happen. Yep, very nice, absolutely very nice. Yeah, so it's like M pattern but it's kind of different. Price is going here, 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 and falling. Yeah, it's M pattern but it's a little bit different because we have potential resistance over here, and this moment confirms us that we have potential resistance over here. So if I would place my limit stop limit order over here, I would be stopped out. But I placed my stop order above stacked imbalance area, which great place to place your stop orders. Yeah. So, and this trade played very nice to my favor. Yeah. And all these limit buy orders, this buyer are trapped right now because in this area sellers are dominating. They are controlling the market. Yeah. How do I know that? I know because I'm comparing now buyers versus sellers. Yeah. And in this area, sellers are in control. I don't care if they pushed price higher, but they never broke this area. Yeah. So, and right now price is coming again to that area, this line, and look, we absolutely don't have buyers at all. So if somebody is going now, let's say retail trader is now longing this area, so as you can see, footprint chart is absolutely bearish. Now stacked areas of sellers over here, so no buyers at all. So if you're buying now this area 64.50, almost guarantee you're going to be stopped out. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, very nice. Yeah. So again, let's come back to uh, chart. So from the beginning, when price is falling, it, as you can see, it forms stacked imbalances. Yeah. And right here we had a couple stacked imbalances here and here. When price came back to the first stacked imbalances area, I saw aggressive selling. Because I saw aggressive selling, I placed my limit sell order and stop loss was above this area. Yeah, and it is really important. And after that, rest is history. Yeah, price was falling. It was really nice trade. So thank you for watching, and see next time. Bye.